How I feel today, how I feel today. 今天的感觉 I feel happy, I feel happy. 我觉得开心。I feel sad, I feel sad. 我觉得难过 I feel tired, I feel tired. 我觉得累。I feel sleepy, 我觉得想睡。In the afternoon, in the afternoon. 在下午 I feel busy, I feel busy. 我觉得忙。Sometimes, sometimes. 有时候I feel nervous, I feel nervous. 我觉得紧张 That is okay, that is okay. 没关系 I feel calm, I feel calm. 我觉得平静 At night, at night. 在晚上I feel quiet. 我觉得安静 This is how This is how I feel. 这就是我的感觉 This is me, This is me. 这就是我